In today's 3-minute tutorial, we are going to go over how to draw or paint snowflakes. Start with a nice base-coated stone and place one line across your rock. Now you want to find the center of your line, and then you're going to cut about a third of the way across to make this really skinny X shape. After that, you will split that X in half. You want all three of these lines to be equal length. They should be coming off the same amount of space from the center in all directions. After that, we're just going to start decorating. Now, a tip I have for decorating your snowflakes is to rotate your surface, because if you try to go to the sides, sometimes they just won't look quite the same. So rotate your snowflake around as you add designs. There are so many different techniques and styles you can do. As you can see, there's a snowflake above the one I'm working on that has slightly different designs on it. So just play around with this, adding a little bit at a time to your snowflake. Watch out for bumps on your rocks. If you can avoid those, do, because they're going to mess up the pattern of your snowflake. You can also go in and add secondary lines in between for some more fun details. So just split the space. Try to make sure that your lines are the same length when you're going through the center, and then you can go in and add little details on those as well. If you make a mistake, have a Q-tip on hand. You can just dab a little water on it to get that right back off, let it dry, and then go back in and try again. Now I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen for all of this detail work with my snowflake. Dots along the outside are always a cute little addition that you can add. Once you're done with your snowflake, your large snowflake, you can add on some words like "let it snow," or you can come back and add a couple more smaller snowflakes. And then afterwards, I'm going to come back and add in some snow here with the extra fine tip, just dots all over. And then I'm also going to come back with my medium tip to do some larger dots in the background as well. These turn out so cute, and just like the real ones, no two snowflakes will be alike. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I'll link to the rest of our 3-minute tutorials here at the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy painting.